My name is Casper. I'm from Shanghai. I used to be in the media sector. I just transferred recently to the analysis side for a securities company.
My name is Raluca. I was born in Romania, raised in Spain. I went to the University of Barcelona and I joined Deloitte as an audit analyst for 3 years before entering the fashion industry in Mango in Barcelona and then Itam in China.
My name is Kojo Oswajiman from Accra, Ghana. I work in investment banking / financial technology.
I'm Eliza Wong, originally from Hong Kong. Currently working for a company called Blackstone. I've just started my new job about 4 months ago. And before I was in HSBC Asset Management for 2 years.
I studied business, so MBA is obviously a good choice for my master's degree. CEIBS particularly because my dad got his MBA here, and also the fact that it is the best in China.
I really want to get a small taste of what it would be to have an MBA at CEIBS, and I really experienced that in 1 week fully.
So I read about the school and I found out they had a boot camp program. I'm like, this is a perfect opportunity to go to China and see it for myself with my own eyes.
I'm very confident that China is going to be the #1 economy maybe in the next 5 to 10 years. I think CEIBS is in a good place, located strategically. You get to meet with different professors. They're all from different backgrounds, bringing different opinion and expertise. And obviously the alumni network is very strong in China. It's the best business school in Asia.
I used to travel a lot to Shanghai for work when I was in Mango. And it was so surprising for me that every time I would come back, I would find it different from 2 months before. So I've been fascinated from the day one.
I mean, I'd read that Shanghai has a beautiful skyline, but I didn't imagine the entire city would be very, very advanced. The kind of apps and the kind of businesses that are growing here, and it's very, very, very interesting. They move really fast. The growth companies grow from startup to large companies within 5 to 10 years, and it's very amazing.
The discussions we had, the speakers we had, the cases we worked on together, it was so stimulating all the way, like every second of the day.
I could feel that they wanted us to have a real sense of how things will be if we do end up doing MBA here. And they also put a good mix of fun time in there as well.
The mix of the Chinese business knowledge and then the global perspective is perfect for someone who's coming from Africa who wants to have international exposure, because typically you just get one side, but CEIBS has both.
I think it's for anyone who is interested about China. You will learn things that you didn't expect. You always get more out of it in the end.